Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson 9. Name of our lesson is Transport and Communication. Transport and Communication. In my previous video, I explained to you about types of communication. What are the three types? Land transport, waterways and airways. And I explain you about the positive impacts of transport, negative impact of transport, way to reduce the negative impacts too. I explain you this all things in my previous videos. So today I am going to explain you about communication. In my last videos it was transport explanation part. Now today I am going to explain you about communication. The development of transport has made communication easier and faster. Very true. Telegraph and teleprinter. First one is what here? Telegraph and teleprinter. Telegraph messages are sent through telegraph. Wires and cables. It is sending through telegraph, wires and cables. With the invention of teleprinter, telegraph services have become very faster. With the invention of teleprinters, telegraph services have become very faster. Now about telephone. It is the fastest means of communication with the help of STD. You all are aware of STD and ISD. So today you are going to understand the meanings with full form. STD means subscriber truck, TRUNK trunk dialing, and ISD international subscriber dialing. STD related to which country you belongs to, and ISD is international. International means throughout the world. Facilities: one can talk to another one. One can talk to anyone in the world in a moment. Yes, this sort of things are going on. The invention of mobile phone has made communication even easier. Because of mobile phones, communication became more easier, or we can say very faster. Now about fax machine. This is a machine with transmits an extra copy of handwritten or printed material or pictures over telephone cables or through a mobile link. Let me show you the picture of fax machine. Here are some pictures of fax machine, children. These are some pictures of fax machine. Email. This is a system of sending messages through the computer using telephone networks. It passes messages instantly, faster. It passes messages instantly. Mass communication. Listen carefully, this is very important. Mass communication. Mass communication helps to pass messages to a large number of people at one time. In the picture you can see a magazine and a newspaper. Books, newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines give us the latest information about all that is happening in the world. Listen carefully. Again, I am reading this sentence for you so that you can understand very easily. Newspapers and magazines give us the latest information about all that is happening in the world. These are printed in different languages, right? And are easily available and cheap. It is cheap too. And you can see newspapers in different languages like Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, English. So these all are in different languages, and magazines too. So these magazines, newspapers, books, this all comes under mass communication. Your activity part is make a list of the names of different newspapers in Hindi and English. Include some in other languages too. Hindi, English, name of the newspapers you should make in a tabular form. As I underline here few vocabulary, work on that. Whenever you start writing, read and write. Thank you. Have a nice day.